You are essentially paying for a fancy sticker and a slick marketing campaign every time you buy one of those massive brand name power stations. People see the ads and assume the most expensive option is the only one that works. That is simply not true. I've been looking at a specific power unit that is quietly becoming a cult favorite for people who actually live off the grid. It does not have the flashy television commercials or the social media influencers pushing it every 5 minutes. Instead, it offers raw, unadulterated capacity. This unit is built like a tank. It feels rugged and heavy. It is designed for someone who cares more about keeping the refrigerator running during a blackout than they do about having a shiny app on their phone. We are talking about a massive battery pack using lithium iron phosphate technology. That means it is going to last you for thousands of cycles. Most people will never even hit the limit of what this battery can do over its lifetime. It can handle a 2,000-watt load without breaking a sweat. If you want to run power tools or a heavy-duty coffee maker in the middle of nowhere, this is the machine that gets it done. The price point is the real shocker here. You get nearly 2,000 watt-hours of storage for a fraction of what the big competitors charge. It is a workhorse, not a showpiece. This is for the person who looks at a price tag and wants to see every penny reflected in the actual hardware. Now there are trade-offs for saving that much money. This thing is seriously heavy. You're going to feel it in your back if you try to lug it around a campsite all day. It is not something you want to carry for miles on the trail. The cooling fans are not exactly whisper quiet either. When this thing is pulling a heavy load or charging back up, you will definitely know it is in the room. It sounds like a loud industrial fan when those cooling systems kick in. There is also a distinct lack of modern bells and whistles. You will not find a high-tech smartphone app to monitor your usage from another room. For some people, that is a deal breaker. But for the person who just wants to plug in their gear and know it will stay powered, those extras feel like unnecessary fluff. This brand is smaller and lesser known. You do not have the same massive retail support system or decades of history you might get with the household names. That is the gamble you take for this kind of value. But the people using it are reporting serious performance in the real world. The solar charging capabilities are particularly impressive. It handles input from the sun better than many units that cost twice as much. You can chain together panels and top this thing off surprisingly fast. It is about functionality over fashion. It is about having a mini power hub that can survive an emergency. There are plenty of outlets for your gear, including several standard plugs and multiple ports for your smaller electronics. It even includes wireless charging on top for your phone. If you are tired of the mainstream hype and just want a battery that works, this underdog might be exactly what you need. It is not trying to be a lifestyle accessory. It is a heavy-duty tool for people who value their hard-earned cash. You are getting expandability and serious output without the premium brand tax. It is the kind of gear that proves you do not need a household name to get professional-grade results. The construction is dense and sturdy, giving you the confidence that it can survive being tossed in the back of a truck. It does not feel like cheap plastic. It feels like a piece of industrial equipment meant for the job site. You are trading convenience and brand recognition for pure, unbridled energy storage. It is built for the long haul.